Hello guys, my name is Junior and today I want to share my experience with the infinite energy system. I was looking for a way to save on my electricity bill and contribute to the environment at the same time. That's when I discovered this product and decided to give it a try. I followed the step-by-step guide and installed my own eco-friendly energy generator at home. I confess that at first, I was a little skeptical, but I was surprised by the results. The infinite energy system worked perfectly and I started saving a lot of money on my electricity bill. I believe that the infinite energy system is very good and worth it for anyone who wants to save on their energy bill and contribute to the environment. It is easy to install and the instructions are very clear and detailed. Anyone can follow the guide and build their own energy generator. I bought my infinite energy system on the official website and I recommend that you do the same. It is very important to buy the original product to make sure that it will work correctly and that you will receive all the necessary information for installation. The infinite energy system is for anyone who wants to save on their energy bill and contribute to the environment. It is ideal for those who are tired of paying very high electricity bills and want a more economical and sustainable alternative. I highly recommend the infinite energy system and want to encourage everyone to give this amazing product a chance. Buy yours on the official website and start saving on your electricity bill today. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Remember guys, to ensure that you buy the original product and have access to all the necessary information for installation, access the official website in the description or the first pinned comment of the video.